हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, CUT CBSE सीरीज में आज हम कर रहे हैं प्रोबेबिलिटी चैप्टर नंबर 13 एंड लेक्चर ऑफ दिस इज द लेक्चर 13.4. दैट मीन्स वी आर डूइंग lecture 13.4. Before it, 3 lectures regarding probability we have already done, and now it is my 4th lecture on probability. The topic is the same. We are covering here under CUT, CBSE, Maths Objective Series, class 12th, 3 types of problems. We are covering here 3 types of problem. Number 1, we are taking multiple choice questions with 4 choices. Number 2, assertion reasoning problems. And number 3rd, case based studies. Case based or paragraph based or source based, which is given in CBSE sample paper in this year, and it will continue in under NEP program also. So here we have taken 3 lectures. 3 lectures means we have assertion reasoning problems, multiple choice questions, and the case based studies. ये हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, बट स्टिल देयर आर फ्यू वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आर देयर इन प्रोबेबिलिटी. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर डिस्कसिंग आल्सो सम इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अंडर दिस चैप्टर. तो यहाँ देखते हैं प्रोबेबिलिटी का लेक्चर 13.4 में. दीज आर असर्शन रीजनिंग प्रॉब्लम्स. Instructions are same. Instructions are statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1 and 2 are given. Statement 1 are assertion. Statement 2 is reason. We have to mark A if assertion and reasoning means both statement 1 and 2 both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion, and then we have to mark A. We have to mark B if both are correct, means statement 1 assertion is correct, reasoning is correct, both are correct, but there is no link between assertion and reasoning, means there is no explanation. It is not the explanation, reasoning is not explanation of the assertion. Then we have to mark B. Mark C mark करना है if assertion is correct but reason, the statement which is given in the reason is not correct, it is a false statement, then we have to mark C. And D, if assertion itself is wrong, means assertion is false, and the statement which is given in the reason is correct, then we have to mark D. So C and D both are clear. A and B means both statement we have to check. In C or D both statement is need not to be checked. So now we start question number 1. This is assertion part and reasoning, means assertion and reasoning. So question number 1 is statement 1, chapter probability. As per NCERT, it is chapter number 13, class 12th. Statement 1, assertion is 20 persons are sitting in a row. 2 of these persons are selected at random. The probability that the 2 selected persons are not together is 0.9. This is the statement. That means there are 20 persons, means if we are taking roll number wise, roll number 1, 2, 3, last roll number is 20. So there are 20 persons are sitting in a row. That means, and we have to take 2 persons. That means number of sample space is 20 C2. Again the event is here, means number of event is equal to, if we are taking 2 persons from these 2 but the selected persons are not together, the condition is they are not together. So if we are taking together, और after that मीन्स टुगेदर लेने के बाद में हम टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी में से माइनस कर देंगे. तो फर्स्ट वी आर टेकिंग कि probability means E, let E be the event, not together, then E dash is together. तो E dash में कितने आएंगे? टुगेदर मीन्स कितने पेयर बन सकते हैं? तो 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5, इस तरीके से लास्ट में 19 20. तो दैट मीन्स टोटल कितने पेयर हो जाएंगे? 1 2 3 4 और लास्ट में 19. तो 20 सीट्स में 20 पर्सन्स में अगर हम पेयर वाइज लेंगे तो 1 2 2 3 3 4, इस तरीके से हमें मिल जाएंगे 19 20, मीन्स टोटल 19 पेयर मिलेंगे. तो इन दिस 19 पेयर्स में से हमें यहाँ ई डैश में 19 पेयर मिले, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई डैश क्या हो जाएगा? इक्वल टू 19 डिवाइडेड बाई नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेस है 20C2, मीन्स इन 19 में से कोई एक लेना है, तो 19C1 मीन्स 19, तो 19 अपॉन 20C2 मीन्स प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई डैश इज इक्वल टू द 19 इंटू 2 अपॉन में 20 इंटू 19, तो 19 कैंसिल, 2 upon 20 that is 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 is probability of E dash. Then probability of E is means not together means 1 minus 1 by 10. That is 9 by 10. 9 by 10 means 0.9. So here the statement is the correct. Means statement correct दे रखा है. Reason is if A not, this is A not. If A not denotes the negation of an event, then probability of A not is equal to 1 minus probability of A. यहाँ हमने वही यूज किया है कि नंबर ऑफ ई मीन्स प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई इक्वल टू 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई डैश. ये हमने इसी से किया है. या आप ई यहाँ ई डैश लगा दो, मीन्स इसी फॉर्मूले से जो ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर्मूला है, यही फॉर्मूला हमने यूज किया है. दैट मीन्स बोथ स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट एंड रीजन मीन्स करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन इज गिवन इन द स्टेटमेंट 2. दैट मीन्स ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. अगेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. In question number 2, we are taking